Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening Gmail, Google Calendar, or the standalone Tasks app and signing into your Google account. Once done, click the Tasks icon in the right side panel or the app icon on mobile. Create a new list and give it a concise name because naming helps you locate tasks quickly. Make sure to pick the correct account if you have multiple Google profiles. This prevents syncing to the wrong calendar or device and keeps your work organized immediately. You add tasks by tapping the plus button and typing the main action. Use subtasks for multi-step items so you can check progress. Once added, assign due dates and optional times to trigger reminders and drag tasks to reorder priority. This visual order conveys urgency at a glance. Use the note field to paste links, phone numbers, or brief instructions so you don't open multiple apps. That way your tasks are actionable without extra searching and stay focused. You mark work done by checking the box. Completed items move to history so you can review progress later. Once completed, tasks sync across devices. Make sure the account sync setting is enabled in Google settings and that you're online. If tasks disappear or fail to sync, refresh the app, clear cache, and sign out then back in. This often forces a fresh sync. If problems persist, confirm you created tasks under the correct Google account to avoid ghost entries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.